Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all things makeup related, so if that interests you, be sure to subscribe. I created this dramatic halo eye look with the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Rose Metals palette. So this palette to me is more of a fall palette. I wanted to create a spring look, so this is what I came up with. This is super easy to recreate, and we're just gonna jump right into it. So first, I'm going to take a blending brush. This is a Sigma E40 blending brush. I'm going to go with the shade Sun Rose. This is like a matte pink orange shade with a bit of shimmer. You see that? It's a really pretty crease shade. Blend this right into my crease. Anastasia, a Beverly Hills formula, is one of my favorite eyeshadow formulas. If you know on my channel, I always I love her palettes. I have so many tutorials using her palettes. They blend out like a dream, and I just love her palettes. I wish she came out with more. I do buy these palettes myself. I'm a small YouTuber, and so I purchase all these palettes myself. So I try and buy like the newer palettes, but I really can't like buy them all. But I absolutely love her palettes. So I'm just blending this out into my crease, just making a nice, warm, defined crease area. So depending on your eye shape, you might not want to take this eyeshadow as high as I took it, but because there's that weird skin gap right between my eye, my real crease and my eyebrow, I blend mine up pretty high. But like my wife's eye shape, I always keep her shadow close as possible to the crease, like this. Like I just put the brush in the socket and roll it back and forth like that. And I don't drag up like this. I don't do that because her space between her crease and eyebrow is much smaller than mine. But if I left all this space blank, it just wouldn't balance well with my brow. So I bring it up higher. And have the shade Sun Rose all over my eye. So this is an Ariel A20 brush. It is a blending brush, but it's also flat, like that. Shade Done. It's like a pink, maroon, or red shade. Do you see that? So pretty. I'm gonna blend this shade in my outer crease, like that. I'm gonna blend in my outer crease. Really pigmented, matte, kind of purpley maroon shade. Blending out like a dream. Do you see how good? First off, these Ariel brushes are absolutely amazing. Highly recommend them. I got mine at Ulta, but I also waited till I had a 20% off coupon because they are pretty pricey. And so then I'm going to blend out my inner crease or inner eyelid here. Like that, and then I'm gonna make them touch just a tad up here. And look how pretty this is turning out. So I'm just creating this halo. The crease isn't going to be quite as dark and pigmented as the inner and outer V's. I'm just putting some of the color in the crease so it's like a well-balanced look. And I'm just faking out that dome round eye shape. And I do messy halos. Like some people do very strategically placed halos, but to me, I don't know. I'm not really into the whole cut crease looks anymore, but some people, like if you watch some tutorials on YouTube, make absolutely amazing, amazing halos that are like literally artwork of creating the lightest part on the center and the darkest part in the outer V's. And it's just like so fun to watch those tutorials, and they're absolutely stunning. But this one is like the halo that anyone can do. It's super simple and easy and pretty. All right, so it's a little patchy right here, but I have some like bumps on my eyelid. I don't know what it's about, so I'm just gonna go back on with the E40, just like blend that out a bit because I don't like that. Especially to be right in the center, even though I'm probably gonna cover it up with some shimmer. This shade Heavenly, I have not used this shade yet in the palette. It's a beautiful like yellow, like yellow, gold, silver shimmer shade. And I'm gonna put that right on the center, and that's gonna absolutely, it's like a yellow, gold, green. I don't even know. Do you see it? It's kind of like a little like lime green in there. It's pretty. Put this right on the center. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Like that didn't even go in wet. I'm telling you, like her palettes are insane. And this is someone who is not getting paid, but I think everybody knows Anastasia Really Hills just does it best. Okay, so now I'm torn because part of me wants to put a little bit of shimmer on each side of that, but part of me is just like, let Heavenly have its moment. So, okay. I think I'm just gonna do that because that is so pretty. I mean, I don't know what else. I'm just gonna go, okay. I'm gonna go with the shade Rose Fire. See Rose Fire? It's like a pretty red, like a red copper. I don't regret this. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit on each side of that Heavenly. What do you think? Did I ruin it? Actually, maybe I didn't ruin it. Maybe that's what that needed. I mean, like, the problem is with her palettes, I just like want to use all the colors at the same time. You can't do that. Like, you can't do that because then, you know, like some of the colors aren't able to have their moment. Okay. Whoo! I am loving that. Do you see that? Wow. Stunning. I am so excited because I really wasn't feeling that inspired, but this look has me like, yes. First, I'm gonna go in with Sun Rose on a Ariel A29 blending brush. I'm gonna blend this into my bottom lash line, like all over. Done, which is like the maroon pink. And I'm gonna blend that into my outer and lower, like outer lower corner. I go in, take my finger and go with the shade Heavenly. Up. And tap. I'm actually going side to side and look, you can just see how beautiful, like, and like the thing about her shimmers is everything is so creamy. Oh my god. I literally cannot stop talking about her palettes. All right, Fire Rose. Look at that. I feel like these looks always look weird until I put like the lashes on. So I'm dusting away the fallout which got here in my inner nose. I gotta find some kind of highlight for my inner corner. Oh, Soft Glam palette, the shade Tempera. I'm going in with a small detailing brush. This is the Morphe JH38. And I'm just gonna touch on that pink there. The tempura and do my brow bone. And I'm gonna take Nude Eyeliner by Essence. And I'm gonna line my bottom waterline. Coat of mascara. And then I'm going to apply some Ardell Wispy lashes. Alright guys, that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.